Hello, John here. Today I'd like to show you a 2008 Ford F450 service truck. Motivation comes from a 6.8 liter V10 engine, automatic transmission with overdrive, all the heavy duty options, air conditioning, heavy duty coolers, heavy duty charging system, heavy duty suspension, 362 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque. Nice smooth running V10 engine, great maintenance from day one. Oil changes are done every 3,000 miles. I'm gonna shut this and show you the front a little bit here. Got a nice clear windshield. Generator prep package. If you wanted to put a generator in here, you could very easily. Truck came from the phone company, great maintenance. Back up and show you the seat. There is a little bit of wear on the seat right there. The mileage is 40. Let me put the key in here and I'll show you. This is the original mileage, 44,447. Fire it up for you there. Show you that it has air conditioning, which does blow out really nice and cool. Got the auxiliary upfitter switches mounted in the dashboard here if you like to put on any kind of an auxiliary lights or what have you. And turn the engine off here. It does have tow haul mode in the transmission, delay wipers. They're not laden with any of the creature comforts, being a fleet vehicle, but the maintenance on them is second to none. So we'll shut that door. Oh, you know what? While I have it open here, let me just quickly show you how nice the fenders are. Typically, a lot of those are rusted through. This one's still in really, really nice shape. Bottom of the door is nice and solid. Rocker panels, all nice and solid. Utility body does have some wear on it. I'll show you the tires in here. I can get away from the sun with that glare in the background. Those tires are nice. We have wheel chocks there. Left front tire. Still has some nice tread on it. You have a work shelf here that you can use once you open that up, and got adjustable shelves in there. Ventilated cabinet if you want to put something. Oh, I got the lock on there. If you wanted to put something in there, there's a little bit of rust on it. We have a 4,000-pound trailer capacity. Nice big open area. Ladder rack holder, additional storage in the top up there. LED lighting, cone holder. You do put a generator on. We have 110 volt outlets around the truck. These just push in like that, and then they lock all the doors. Same thing here. All these cabinets have adjustable shelves in them. Lots and lots of storage. You can put your two-piece ladders on the top there, one-piece ladder, shovel, digging bars beneath that. You know what? We have a lot of nice pull-out, heavy-duty shelving in here, and it is all adjustable. I'm going to back out a little bit there and show you there are 3 of these shelves. Call them shelves, they're actually drawers. Good terminology right there, John. But they're nice and heavy duty. They're all adjustable. You can really load up all your gear in there. We have some more tubes over here if you want to put digging bars, tree trimming equipment, whatever you'd like to stick in there. I'll show you these tires back here. This one's still really nice. That one's still really nice. We do have a little bit of rust on it. Could use the right front tire. The right front tire is kind of worn. Still got a little something left to it, but figured I'll leave that to whoever would like to purchase it. The mirrors do come out farther if you'd like, if you're hauling a trailer. Again, nice, solid doors, fenders, rocker panels. These trucks are mostly kept indoors. The worse the weather, the more they're washed. Nice, comfortable cab. Here we go on a little ride. Got the air conditioner going, blowing nice and cool. Got an AM/FM radio. Our upfitter switches, again, you can put these, hook them up to whatever you want, inside or outside. Yeah, 4 of them there. Nice little option to have on a truck. This truck only has 44,447 miles on it. Sat inside the garage quite a bit. The garages are heated out of the sun.